Hello, welcome to LAMPRO booth. It's Steven, now at the InfoComm 2026. In this show, we bring two series products, RNⅡ series and the LRS series. Now I will introduce these two series products separately. We go to see RNⅡ series first. For RNⅡ series, we bring actually two new technology. First is MIP, second is U-shell. Now we first go to see the MIP. For the MIP, we use at the packet speed 1.9. The advantage for the MIP is high brightness, 1200 nits, high contrast ratio, 50,000 to 1 contrast ratio, low power consumption, only 100 watts per panel. Now we can have a close view of the macro package module. It's really high contrast ratio, and the dots is very small. The dots is TLC66. Then we can go to see the view angle is close to 180, the view angle. And now we go to the cabinet back. I will make a quick introduce of the advantage. First, this is a tour-free service, so we can take the whole power box just by hands. You see the mechanic is very convenient. And for the module design, we have the safety belt and also physical lock. It ensures the safety use for sometimes used for the screen, for the ceiling screen, or sometimes you put the screen in the DJ club. There's a big lock, and if we have the physical lock, the big sound will not push the module out. It's more safe. And for this product, it's also the 2025 Red Dot winner. This product is the RNⅡ 2.6 U-shell. For the U-shell, we take the unique lamps 702424. The advantage for these lamps is resistance can reach 5 to 6 kilograms per dose. And the normal lamps 702020, the impact resistance only 1.5 kilogram to 2 kilogram. It means our module lamps is 2 to 3 times stronger than normal ones. So if the impact resistance is much stronger, the advantage for the customer is the dose failure rate is quite a few. And in this case, the LED screen can keep a range, and it can make much more profit than normal ones. And also, relative to repairing, if there's a few LED lamps, the repairing cost also quite low. Now I will introduce LAMPRO LRS series. So we bring two products. First is ISO 2.9 outdoor. So for this product, we use the new technology 2-in-1 lamp, black lamps. The advantage for these 2-in-1 black lamps, first, contrast ratio is higher. In this case, we can use this product for both indoor and outdoor use. Secondly, the impact resistance is much stronger than single drops. The 2-in-1 similar like this. Two lamps connect together. Face is the same. The solder pass is the same. In the middle, it connect together. Now we have a look of the cabinet back. It's a full die casting and a module design. There's only 3 parts: a power box and the module. Module only one tab. One tab for all is universal. There's 3 pins. It means a module can both use for the 1 meter and a half meter panel. And for the module design, there's 3 parts: module, power box, and a frame. It's very unique.